Yuma thiko ya gatatu ya gucanio ici cia SportPesa Super Cup kura timu ya AFC Leopards makorirwo magikio nja ni timu ya Singida kuma Tanzania kwitukira mikwaju ya penalty 4-2. Bitikino yumire draw ya gifugo ndagika-ini 90 AFC makionekana kwirutaniria makiria gibindi-ini gia keri. Riu AFC Leopards ni akeri kuma uku bururi-ini gukorwo maikitio na nja wa hitaitano ici thutha wa Kariobangi Sharks guikio nja muthenya wa ira ni Simba SC o kwitukira mikwaju ya penalty. Kogenyerari cia Harambee Starlets ciatinda cikinora kiharu-ini gia Kenyatta mwena wa Machakos mbere ya gucanio yao ya muthenya wa ruciu na Equatorial Guinea gwetha tigiti wa guthakira gikombe kia Afrika. Nyafara David Ouma augite marino urugari wa mucii gukorwo makihota ngucanio ino.
The preparation and the ability of the team in terms of the quality of the game tomorrow, we are prepared sufficiently, and this is something that we believe the technical qualities and the ability of the players is sufficient enough in terms of the home advantage that we want to assert in tomorrow's game.
Starlets maretha kamweke ga ukanjite mihitaitano-ini cia Africa Women Cup of Nations iriga korwo bururi-ini wa Cameroon muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.